Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese quiche. First, let's prepare the crust. You can use a store-bought pie crust or make one from scratch. It's a good idea to blind bake the crust at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. This step helps ensure your quiche has a perfectly crisp bottom, preventing it from becoming soggy once the filling is added. It's a simple but crucial step for a great result. Next, let's focus on the delicious filling. You'll need about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. Gruyere or sharp cheddar work wonderfully for a rich flavor. In a separate bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs with 1.5 cups of milk or cream. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you enjoy. This mixture forms the creamy heart of your quiche, so make sure it's well combined. Now it's time to assemble and bake your quiche. First, sprinkle the shredded cheese evenly into your pre-baked pie crust. Then, carefully pour the egg and milk mixture over the cheese. Make sure the cheese is distributed well. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes, or until the center is just set and lightly golden. A knife inserted should come out clean. The final step is to let your quiche cool. Once it's out of the oven, allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This cooling period is important as it helps the filling set completely, ensuring clean, beautiful slices. You can serve your cheese quiche warm or at room temperature. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, lunch, or even a light dinner. Enjoy your homemade, delicious quiche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.